Hello there, my name is James Fisher and you're watching my YouTube channel where I talk about stock investments, options trading and finance in general. Today is September 7th, 2023. I am again back in Tbilisi, enjoying pleasant end of the summer. It seems we still have a few weeks with nice weather here in Georgia. In today's video I'm going to talk about happenings in our stock portfolios and about options expiring tomorrow, September 8th. In short, yesterday I got assigned 100 shares with Walgreens Booth Islands. I bought them at $27.50 shares. I bought them at $27.50 per share, or I spent $2,700 per buying this share. The problem with Walgreens Booth Islands is that the stock right now is downtrending. Right now it's trading at $22.50. The good news, I got assigned a credit from a credit spread. Back at the end of July, I was selling a credit spread on Walgreens Booth Islands with my strike price at $27.50 and $25 or $2.50 wide credit spread. And right now, while I am already assigned 100 shares at $27.50, I still have the long put, which is like a protection, at $25. The problem, and this I get assigned early. The original expiry was meant for the next week, September 15. I get assigned on September 6th, and well, I'm still holding this long put in chance the stock is gonna go even downtrend, even with a greater dip. So I still have this long put as my protection, but there is already a plan I'm seeming to do. I'm not very interested holding those 100 shares. Most probably I'm going to sell them, and here's what my plan is. At the end of this long put expiry or next week, I'm looking to sell both the long put, take some profit from there. Also, sell those 100 shares of Walgreens Booth Islands I have, and sell a new put option with, I don't know, end of the October, start of January expiry, with strike price lower than $27.50, like, I don't know, it could be 26. The idea is I feel better holding a put option than holding shares itself. Also, like, yeah, I could just keep those shares right now and hope for the recovery, which is fine. And in general, I wouldn't do if there wouldn't be such a steep downtrend. It feels like catching a falling knife. So the plan is, the idea is like, yeah, I can keep this stock and hope for stock appreciation, or I can sell the stock and sell a new put option on the stock, again with a higher strike price in the money. And in case it's not gonna appreciate, if the value is not gonna go up, I will still will be obliged to buy these shares for my new strike price, which is gonna be lower than $27.50 or something. We will talk about this in the next videos, but I'm better holding. Anyhow, my break-even price is gonna go lower and lower and lower. Eventually, I'm hoping to recover from this trade. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. As long as the company is not going on bankruptcy, I am looking positive on this. I'm ready like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever. This stock is part of our long-term stock portfolio, dividend portfolio. By the way, Walgreens Booth Islands still pays a great dividend, about $1.63 after tax per share. So these 100 shares technically are gonna pay us about $163 annually, which actually gives a really impressive boost to our total dividend income right now. right now the total dividend income is standing about $230, which is double of what I'm looking to have in this year, like 2023. Anyhow, as I'm looking to sell these shares, most probably, then again our dividend portfolio is gonna drop down to some $70 annual dividend, which goes as a plan, and most probably I'm gonna keep holding this put option on Walgreens Boots Alliance. Yeah. So, but here's what I did. I also sold one call bear spread on those 100 stagnant shares with next Friday's expiry. I sold $23 call and bought $24 call, which is like $1 wide spread. From what I got about $19, from which I bought not the Walgreens Boots Alliance stock itself, but I bought 7 shares with Virgin Galactic, another troubled stock in our stock portfolio. I'm gonna talk more about them in future videos, but just to mention, right now I'm holding one in the money put option with Virgin Galactic and expiry in October. So closer to October I will start talking about what's happening with Virgin Galactic. All right, that's from the bad news, if we can call them bad news. There is one stock going to expire tomorrow, one stock option. That's the NEO. NEO is doing really great in my stock portfolio. Tomorrow's stock options are gonna go expire worthless, and I am looking to double up and open like 2 options contracts on NEO, again most probably with October expiry, and from the premium received to buy the NEO stock itself, as NEO stock is quite volatile. I am going with those credit spreads, which give me some kind of protection. Yeah. Also, I roll forwarded one options position, which was meant to expire on September 22. Medical Properties, MPW. I was holding $7.50 put option, but the stock is like a range about like $7.30, maybe $7.50. I decided to roll forward, and I roll forwarded it to January, to January expiry with a strike price $7. It was enough to collect enough premium to buy 4 additional MPW shares itself. So we are now holding about 8 MPW shares in the stock portfolio. They are like a nice dividend payers, but again, MPV, they are already, the dividend yield is about 13%, and a dividend cut is quite possible. I wouldn't go and buy just because like there's a high dividend yield. No. I'm buying like because I'm rolling out these positions. I have some really great news from our crypto hedge fund, which I started at the end of August. It's growing slowly. I am selling put options on Ethereum and reinvesting the premiums back into crypto itself. During the last week, it has grew about $3. Yeah, quite impressive, $3. And the total value of the crypto portfolio is about $37, which is nice from selling put options on Ethereum itself. So yeah, in general, it was a quite good week, with exception with this early and then planned stock assignment on Walgreens Boots Alliance. I'll keep updated you about the Walgreens Boots Alliance in the next week. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon. See you next week.